Hello, today is the 18th June, so we are having a technical call here. Please help out with the minutes. Also add your name to the minutes as well, please. And let me share my screen, share. So it's a pretty much a light agenda here. The first thing is for the MicroProfile kind of the tutorial. Recently, I haven't seen any update from Turan. I sent him a private email. I don't know, John, have you heard anything from Turan?
Let me check the ticket because I added the comment to the GitHub issue. I have to go check.
Okay. Let me see. In the probably in here, right? PR, maybe in here. No. Yeah, no response. But anyway, I also sent him a private message, so we'll see. No comments. Okay. So it's the second thing is kind of the I don't know whether you have all seen my email regard push it to the Google group. So basically, all the meetings disappeared from the kind of our calendar. And then I monitor it on Sunday, but still, the basically the meetings didn't come back. So I had to recreate them because we have more meetings on Monday. So it's if you see anything, I mean, not quite right, please reach out. Okay, John.
Yeah, Amelia sent me a screen snapshot of the account, the MicroProfile account, and it looks like Kevin Sutter deleted all the meetings. It's just I think he was just cleaning out all these old meetings, right? Kevin Sutter used to be the co-lead for MicroProfile before Emily, and so I think he was just cleaning out his calendar from all these old meetings that just went on in perpetuity, and that's why they were deleted.
Oh, okay. That explained.
Yeah.
Removed them by accident. Okay, that's I thought it's somehow the basically is Google Calendar got some kind of hack or something. Oh, I'm thinking someone hacked into MicroProfile calendar. Okay, so that's good. At least we found out what's going on. Okay, if anybody found anything kind of not quite right, reach out. I think I tried my best to look at the history and then created them. Okay, so the next thing is MicroProfile 7. Today I released all the parent, so it's 2.9 and 3.3, and then prepare for the release. So it's for the basically our target 17th, so which is yesterday. So it's however so far we haven't basically seen any RC has been created. I am working on for tolerance photo 1 RC1 and then rest of the so basically both these two specs have done all the update. That's good. And then I helped them consume the latest parent, and then trying to do the release candidate. So it's I updated the plugins. I had a look at the CVEs and etc. and try to use the latest with basically trying to minimize all the CVEs. And which means some spec basically some plugin require higher version of Java. So it's basically I had to update some Jenkins Jenkins build and to use the higher version Java 17 to build. However, the spec itself is still remains the Java version still remains either like 8 or 20 or 8 or 11 and etc. And then it's today the telemetry and open API basically still have one remaining issues to be resolved. So hopefully tomorrow these two spec are in the position to be kind of to create their release candidate. So that's kind of pretty much all on this. And after all the RC created, so John, I will work with you and Emerson, and then we will create a RC for the 7.0. I think for this one is pretty much Emerson can review it, so he has a feel on like what do I need to be done, so that next release he can basically do the PRs and etc. So that's all
Okay.
for the release. Any comments? Okay, if not, like we quickly go through the kind of the plan. So for the plan, like consider for this one, I think is pretty much we just basically deprecate context propagation. Nathan, do you know has this been done?
No, I haven't done that yet, but we'll be doing it.
Okay. Okay, I assign this to you then, so you can
Sure.
take it.
Great.
Thank you. And then improve alignment. So anyway, we basically trying to run against the latest Java SE. And for container orchestration cloud point of view, I think Kubernetes remains stable. I haven't seen any need to do any further integration. So anybody else have any better idea about this? Have suggestions? Okay. The third one evaluates the basically the gap with the Spring framework. I think Emerson volunteered to do it. Emerson is not on the call, right? Okay, we will chase him up. Let me see. Any update? So the MicroProfile Jakarta E alignment. So it's basically is I think it's the alignment with the JWT bridge spec. This is one thing. However, that spec I think we need to basically is hopefully more focus after MP7 release, and then do a release plan release. MP7.0. So yeah, it's I think is basically is Sergey and also the couple folks from IBM are driving it, and then they wait for David to provide some feedback. Maybe we'll bring up in like next if David join. Anyway, ask Cesar to reach out to David to see whether he can provide some feedback, because he is one of the original proposal. Yeah, some ideas from him as well. And the other kind of the effort is we launched the developer survey, right? Cloud native developer survey together. We are going to.
When's that going to get published, or at least when will we know the results, and then when is it going to be published?
I think it has not been launched yet. I think it's going to be August, right? Ed, can you remember the dates, the month?
I'm sorry, I don't.
Okay, so I think it's kind of in the 3Q, if I remember correctly. It's just like the content is has been finalized, and then they will work with some marketing kind of the people and trying to launch it. Okay. Okay, resume activate existing specs. Yeah, we are doing MP7 release. Evolve telemetry. Yeah, we are doing telemetry too. So this is pretty much covered. Evaluate new specs. So it's basically more focused on the AI discussion. So if you have not looked at the kind of the effort, is in the small right LLM. So that's a prototype. Okay, yeah, I think it's from the technical goals point of view, we made good progress. So it's keep on updating. The only thing is we haven't done much. Is this. So with that, I think that's pretty much covered today's call. Are there any other comments? Let me stop. Okay, if not, you have 43 minutes back. That's a nice quick call. And then, John, you want to announce next week's call?
Yeah, I'll send an email about the steering committee meeting next week.
Yeah. Okay, then. Talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.
All right, thank you.
Thanks all. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.